Welcome to this video. I hope you're doing well. I've got a really good one for you here. In this video I'm going to turn you into a prompting master. In 5 minutes I'm going to show you exactly what to do to make sure that anytime you're prompting an LLM, ChatGPT, whichever one you're using, Claude, you will be an absolute master. And it works in terms of the prompt structure, but also a little trick that I'm going to show you that you can start using today that will make prompting effortless. And what it will give you is whatever you're trying to do with AI, you will get far better results. In fact, what I'm going to do in this video is show you an example of 2 prompts that are the same and then the output, and then I'm going to show you how I did it. So let's get straight into it. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it. Do hype it, do subscribe. I've got plenty more coming if you're interested in building an income with AI. So let's get straight into it. You can see on the screen here I'm in ChatGPT and we've got a very basic prompt. I want you to do keyword research for me for an affiliate site that will sell backpacking tents and give me the best key phrases to use. Good prompt and actually good results. So that's the first prompt, and it's given me, okay, here's your top priority keywords, here's the product review keywords, here's comparison, here's ultra low competition, here's problem solving, brand, buyer, and so on. Not a bad output, okay, and that's how most people are prompting. But I'm going to show you how to be a master at prompting right now. Check this out. I'm going to show you the same prompt with a bit of a difference. Okay, so here's the second, more professional prompt, the expert level prompt. Same thing. I want you to do some keyword research me for a site that sells backpacking tents. It will be an Amazon affiliate site, and the keyword research I want you to do for me is to pick out the top 10 products to review that will actually get sales, and maybe 5 of the newest released products as well. More importantly, I want you to do the keyword research and actually research sites like this that are out there and give me the main key phrases that will link back to products that we can actually rank for, with the main emphasis being on a quick ranking site, maybe a few long tails in there, and also how to actually lay the content out in terms of it being good enough to rank. So a full site with the keywords and the exact step by step. So I'll show you the results. Don't worry about typing all that in. I've got a little trick for you that will make you a master in just 1 second, and I'll show you it. But you can see the results that we've got are different. What it's doing now is actually giving me real links to sites that are out there and resources that are out there that are actually doing well. And it says most 10 affiliate sites that win are doing these 3 things: best X hub page, 10 or 20 individual product reviews, buyer intent, long tails, based on real sites that are out there. That's the first improvement. The second one is it's picked out the products, and it's also given me great commission and strong brand demand. So instead of just listing products, it's telling me, okay, premium, mid-range converts well on Amazon UK, budget, and then it's given me, as asked for, 5 newer recently released product reviews, products that are released, and it's given me links to them. So these are new camping backpacks. Then it's given me a keyword plan and telling me, okay, I want a blend of review keywords, comparison keywords, long tail. Then it's given me comparison keywords with links that work well, where people have actually produced content like this. Then it's given me quick win long tails again with links to sites that are actually ranking for this, and that's really good because we can then look at the sites and see how they're doing it. Then it's given me the full site structure, the long tails, the comparisons, how many we need of each, and exactly how to lay out the page so each is rankable. Then it's given me a step-by-step execution that we can expand on. So what has it done? Yes, it's a better prompt, far more in-depth, and it's given me far better results. But you're probably left there scratching your head going, yeah, okay, that works, but how did you do it? And I'm going to show you right now. Check this out. The key to becoming a prompting master is to use the dictate option. You can see down here on the screen, instead of typing out your prompts, you can dictate. And what you want to do is you want to follow this strategy. Number 1, tell AI what you want. Number 2, give context and list exactly how you want it answered. Number 3, add in anything extra and how you want the deliverables, what sort of, whether you want it in a PDF or whatever you want. And I'll give you an example now. So I'll just do a little dictation prompt for a bit of fun. Here we go. Hi, can you give me a welcome message to everyone that is watching this YouTube video where I show them exactly how to use the dictate option in ChatGPT to create master prompts? Can you also explain why it is masterful and is one of the best things ever when prompting to use the dictate option, because it makes it so much easier? I'm talking and talking and talking and talking, and I can speak to you exactly as though you were a person and the personal assistant, and you are getting far more context on what I want and how to deliver it. So sing your praises and tell everyone to use the dictate option to create masterful prompts. So, a bit long-winded there, but you can see here, there's the whole prompt, the waffle prompt that I've just given, and let's see what output it gives. Here's a strong YouTube welcome intro script. Well, I'm not going to read this to you guys, but it's actually decided to give me a full welcome message script telling you about why you should use the dictate option for prompt. It's actually also, would you like ChatGPT to be more enthusiastic? But you can see there, so follow that formula. Number 1, ask ChatGPT for what you want. Have a goal in mind. Number 2, ask for anything within that goal. If you were doing a business plan, you might say, okay, this is how much I want to make a month, and these are the things that I like, and this is competitors that I've seen doing similar things. Give me an exact business plan, but talk it. Use that structure. Number 1, ask for what you want. Number 2, provide context. Number 3, explain what you want the output to be, and use the dictate option, and you will be a prompting master. Let me know how you get on with it. Do give us a thumbs up. Simple tip, but really, really powerful. Let me know how you get on with it and subscribe, and I've got plenty more on the way. Cheers, guys.